Just on commercial property finance, I always say when I'm ringing the guys at the lenders at the banks, I start the conversation with, I'm ringing you, but at least it's not about construction finance. So there's certainly the appetite for investment lending at all the banks is very strong. They are sticking to their knitting on LVRs, margins, ICR covenants, etc. But we've been doing quite a few deals lately for a funds management business, or a couple of funds management businesses that are buying shopping centres. Some are buying some health assets, and it feels like when we actually go and tender the debt to the banks, we're probably getting every major bank making an offer, and then probably that's your secondaries like ING, etc. They're making offers as well. So probably as far as the debt broking market goes at the moment, it's probably the best space to be in to actually get the best possible deal you probably can. We've found they are definitely sticking to their what LVRs will do, so there's no one sort of poking their head up and doing anything silly. And certainly the protection of their margin on the interest seems to be quite paramount again. So a few of the deals that we've been doing, the banks have had super interest in it, but it gets to the point where they're saying, actually, we really want to bank this asset, but we're happy to lose it if it means we've got to compress our pricing any further. So my takeaway from that is that super strong in the commercial at the moment for getting debt deals done, but the banks sort of have their limit. So certainly the best part of the market, I'd say, to be in at the moment would be the commercial funding markets. The good news is, which I always tell everyone, is that there's always a home for every loan. If you've got something that you want to do, be it in construction, be it in commercial, we'll always find an offer for you on that. It just depends whether you like the terms or not of it. So certainly, don't let that discourage you from going out and looking at doing deals. It's up to us to have the partnerships with lenders that we can provide you those offers. So, and the non-traditional guys are certainly there at the moment doing it. Particularly, their terms obviously in construction aren't as sharp as what the banks are, but what we're finding on the commercial investment, their terms are negligibly as good as what the major banks are. So, don't be afraid to go and see us or go and see your broker and talk about, obviously tendering as much of this debt as possible. And the last thing is, I say to the clients, all the lenders out there are seeing plenty of deals. So obviously don't take it personally when it doesn't quite go how you would like it to pan out. But they've got plenty of deals they're looking at. It's up to us to obviously build a case around you as a lender and obviously find you the best options we can at the time.